Welcome back to Biker Wish. Today we're diving into a machine that's about to redefine the lightweight adventure category. If you're someone who craves agility, reliability, and a modern ADV package without the oversized bulk, then stay right here. Because the 2026 Honda NX500 just landed, and trust me, this bike is making waves all across the USA market. Let's jump straight into the deep end and find out why riders are calling it the perfect everyday adventure companion. Introduction: a new breed of adventure. The 2026 Honda NX500 brings back the iconic NX badge, reviving Honda's classic dual sport DNA with a modern ADV twist. This bike sits right between lightweight trail machines and midweight adventure tourers, targeting riders who want versatility without sacrificing comfort or tech. Honda's mission this year was simple: build a bike that can commute during the week, explore backroads on weekends, and hit long touring miles when needed. Engine and performance. At the heart of the NX500 is a 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering smooth, predictable power. Honda didn't chase big horsepower numbers, they focused on balance, rideability, and reliability. Expect around 47 horsepower with crisp throttle response, low-end torque ideal for off-road climbs, and a power band that feels friendly for beginners yet enjoyable for experienced riders. Fuel economy remains a strong point, making it perfect for long-distance adventure touring. Chassis and handling. Honda engineered the NX500 with a lightweight diamond frame chassis, helping the bike feel planted yet nimble. The suspension setup includes a long-travel telescopic front fork and a ProLink rear shock, both tuned for mixed surface riding. Whether you're carving through highway sweepers or tackling dirt trails, the NX500 keeps the ride controlled and comfortable. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 NX500 carries a rugged yet modern ADV look. Sharp LED lighting, strong body lines, a tall windscreen, and dual-purpose ergonomics all give it the stance of a true explorer. Honda also improved aerodynamics and rider comfort, making long rides less tiring and more enjoyable. Technology and features. Honda packed the NX500 with a solid set of modern features, including full TFT digital display, Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), dual-channel ABS, smartphone connectivity, USB charging port, slipper assist clutch. These upgrades ensure the NX500 stays competitive with modern adventure bikes while keeping Honda's legendary simplicity intact. Ergonomics and comfort. Honda designed the NX500 for long hours in the saddle. The neutral upright riding position, well-cushioned seat, and wide handlebars give riders confidence both on and off-road. The bike's manageable seat height and lightweight structure make it beginner-friendly while still capable enough for serious riders looking for a compact adventure solution. Off-road capability. While this isn't a hardcore enduro machine, the 2026 NX500 is more than capable on dirt, gravel, and forest roads. The traction control system, balanced chassis, strong mid-range torque, and ADV-ready tires make it a trustworthy trail companion. Honda designed this bike for riders who want freedom to leave the pavement whenever the mood strikes. On-road performance. On highways, the NX500 provides smooth, stable, and surprisingly comfortable performance. Wind protection is excellent for a bike in this class, and the parallel twin engine maintains effortless cruising speeds. Vibrations are kept low, and the gearbox is one of the smoothest in the segment, classic Honda refinement. Fuel economy and range. Expect excellent fuel efficiency thanks to Honda's tuning. Paired with a generous fuel tank, riders can comfortably cover long stretches between fill-ups, perfect for adventure touring across states. Price and competitors. Honda is expected to price the NX500 aggressively, making it a strong competitor against machines like Yamaha Tenere 300, KTM 390 Adventure, BMW G310GS, Royal Enfield Himalayan. With Honda's reputation for reliability, the NX500 may quickly become the go-to choice for new adventure riders in the USA. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda NX500 isn't about overwhelming power, it's about balance, reliability, and real-world adventure capability. If you're looking for a lightweight ADV that can handle daily commuting, weekend exploration, and long-distance touring, this bike fits the bill beautifully. Honda has revived the NX name with purpose, and riders are excited for a reason. OUTRO. Thanks for watching Biker Wish. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Honda NX500, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and adventure content. Ride safe, ride free, and I'll see you in the next one.